Star Wars production company Lucasfilm sues Chilean car wash company Star Wash, accusing it of plagiarizing. If the company loses, they can always remodel themselves around Steamboat Willie. They even have Jawa steal parts off your car and sell old or barely working parts back to you after the car wash. Full immersion. A car wash company on the outskirts of Chilean capital Santiago. Patrons can see Chewbacca or a stormtrooper wiping down hoods or Darth Vader appearing to use the Force to summon cleaning. No shit, they're suing. I was gonna defend them, then I clicked the link lol. Yeah, but they do an out of this world a Dagobah when I don't wish it was closer to me.